Okay, I didn't want to make this video, but I feel I have to. There is an individual that has been impersonating Maker's Muse and trying to get companies to send them free 3D printers for review, except they're not me, and they're idiots because they're in a different country. And I need to make this video because they keep trying to do it, and a lot of manufacturers don't follow me on Twitter, so they haven't seen my post about it. So I'm going to make this video to explain that there's an individual impersonating Maker's Muse trying to get review units of 3D printers, which they obviously won't review, and they're obviously not going to be seen on my channel because I'm not that individual. So they've been sending messages like this, where they'll say, for example, "My name is Jacob, and I own the YouTube channel Maker's Muse. I review products and show many different types of 3D printers and their advantages and disadvantages in a non-biased manner. I strive for quality and always deliver. I would like to ask you if you'd like to deal with me and ship me a X 3D printer and maybe an extra unit too to give a giveaway to my units." They're trying to get more than one printer. That way I can create a review for my reviewers, and in return will boost your company's popularity and income as I have a large following. Alright, so as many of you will know, I never bloody ask for printers. I turned down reviews at the moment, mostly because I don't have room or time, and I have never gone out to manufacturers and blasted the same copy-paste message. It's ridiculous. And also, a lot of you will know my name is Angus, not Jacob, and I don't have anyone else working with me except for Lady Muse, who keeps me well fed and watered. If you do want to get in touch with me though, you absolutely can. It's just from the Maker's Muse email account, which is sales@makersmuse.com, because I own the makersmuse.com domain, and that's where my official emails will come from. Anything else, and it's not me. In this case, the guy's trying to use makersmuse3d@gmail.com, but it could be anything, and it's completely rubbish. It's completely fake. But I've also got the IP they use, because they use contact forms to contact these companies, and these companies I've worked with in the past, so they get in touch with me instantly. So I have a whole folder built up of all these messages they've tried to send and all the information they've sent through. So this is a video to make it publicly aware that this individual calling themselves Jacob is impersonating Maker's Muse trying to get 3D printers, and they're not even where I live. I live an hour and a half out of Sydney, Australia. It's pretty obvious to anyone who follows the channel. So if they're trying to get you to send a machine to a different country, it's pretty obvious they're impersonating me. So I have loads more information I'm not going to make public unless I foresee the need to. So this is a public announcement that this is happening. Get in touch with me if it does, and if it continues to happen, I might need to take further action. I'm pissed off. I don't want to deal with this sort of thing. I just want to make good content, and now I have to make this video late at night. So there it is. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again very shortly here on Maker's Muse for a better normal video than this bullshit. Bye.